Hi guys! Hi! We're on a field trip today in Boston. Guys, say hi to the vlog.
Hi! Hi! So serious, I'd contribute at least 20. At least 20 to dive in.
I know, I would
Michelle, you don't understand? You don't know?
Whoa!
Yeah, over there.
They walk.
A real asshole really just came over here and pushed me at beef cooks.
Maddie.
Hi guys!
Oh my god! You're so fat! Wait, I love
Oh
Wait, another one!
my gosh!
Look at why are they upside down?
Yeah, why are they going upside down? Oh my god!
Oh my god! Can I have one? She's so cute! He's so fat. He's so fat.
Aww. Oh my god, why that's
I love him. Oh!
How did you do it so well?
Grab the table.
Gracie, can you hold my camera? Electric.
Alright guys, we're done with the aquarium.
Oh, I just ate your hair, I'm sorry.
Oh, ew. We're about to go on a duck boat. Have you ever been on one?
It's Frida's first duck boat.
Frida's first
Have you
duck
been?
boat. Yeah.
Absolutely. We're from Massachusetts.
Right? Like, here's the low-key awkward if they see me doing this because I'm not friends with any of them. But yeah,
That's okay.
alright guys, we're on the duck boat. Also, this is Gracie's first time too. We just learned.
Yeah, twin. Grace is my twin. My twin right now because I'm scared.
Wait, I bought a hoodie too. I was wearing Gracie's coat, but then I'm kind of cold, but I don't want to put it on right now. What do you have to say? I also have this fat pimple. I know. I don't think I told you guys our schedule, but we just went to the aquarium. Now we're on a duck boat. Where's the place we're going? We're going there, and then to the Red Sox game. No, I think we get off at no, it is. It is. Yeah.
Wait, that's cute.
Okay, so I'll tell the story because I got the mic. You can make much noise you like, but keep your hands and heads inside because we want to send you all back with all your leaves. Where it is.
Oh, wow. Oh, no, not around here.
Fingers in your ears because it works. Pretty impressive. I do that as a warning. Captain Tony needs a break. Hands up.
Okay guys, made it off the duck boat. Me and Amy have our matching hoodies on.
And we have some of your jeans on too.
Me too. Wait, let's give.
Look at this, guys. Can they, I don't know if they can hear us.
Wait, in our shoes. Oh my god. We're just twins all around the world.
And then it's like this hoodie is so cute.
Right? I love it.
$38. So it's not bad,
Worth
guys.
it.
That's embarrassing.
Alright guys, made it to Fenway Park. Alright guys, made it to Fenway Park. I'm gonna get the name. Right? They won.
I'm hyped. The Red Sox win. Like, guys, they win. They won, and we are here.
1 million buses. Still searching for mine. Like, are we for real?
I'm just glad our school was cheap.
We've literally been walking for so damn long. Can't find our bus. There's like a whole line of them. There's like probably like 1 million buses actually. Alright guys, made it finally. Just made it back to my house. I was out that entire bus ride. It's currently 12:10 a.m. I'm really tired. But yeah, I think today was pretty good. It was pretty fun. I don't really love baseball, and like the seating situation was kind of a mess, but it was still fun. I really like the aquarium the best, I think. Bye guys.